No better reward for our administration than waiting this young girl they do so. Now make we come out, come support her and urge others to give her the omoge support which she deserves. Edo Governor Godwin Obaseki yarned this one when he carried waka go Edo State Library for Edo State Secretariat Complex along Sapler Road, Benin City to congratulate Edo-born Niger literally enthusiast Osariemen Angel Asein, wey don recently hit 200 hours Guinness World Record for the readathon for the longest reading marathon allowed by one person. Oga Obaseki can tell say Osariemen don break the world record for single reading and belle sweet am to see Professor Damas Wonko, wey be one of Africa's greatest architects, and say Osariemen even read one of his books.
Edo young people are doing, how aspirational they are, and how competitive, globally competitive they have become. I believe that there can be no greater reward for our administration than what this young lady is doing, and so we are here to support her, and I want to ask all of you to support her because she has broken the world record in reading, and what a record to break. It's quite gratifying and quite fulfilling. And here we have Professor Damas Wonko. Most of you may not realize he's one of Africa's greatest architects living today. One of his seminal works is the Obaseki Cultural Center, which is one of the 1001 buildings you must see in this world before you die. He's here in Edo with us, and Osariemen read something from one of his books, and he's also here to see his work, the Obaseki Cultural Center, which we are going to finally try and complete and make it part of the cultural district which we are building for people to come and see.
Speaker Edo State House of Assembly Right Honorable Blessing Abuibaku for talk say he start the journey with Osariemen and say it's not easy to read for 50 hours, talk less of 200 hours, and say he want make other young people for Edo State copy from her.
When my younger sister, I will call her my younger sister because she's from my village. The very day she started, I was here to join her, to encourage her. And today I heard she will be running up today after the 200 marathon. So I decided to also come here to finish with her. She's a great girl, and she's resilient, she's patient. Before you can sit down to read for even 50 hours, is a kind of sapping, energy sapping. You know, if you ask me, I can't even sit down for even 5 hours to read. Talk less of 200 hours. That means she's a great girl. And I also want to advise other of our girl child to emulate her too, you know. Fine, she wants her name to go into the Guinness Book of Record. It's not only her name. She's from Edo State. When they are mentioning her name, that her name is in the Guinness Book of Record, they will say she is from Edo State. Edo State will also be mentioned in that Guinness Book of Record. I commend her and I wish her well. And by God's grace, what she wants for herself, she will get.
Other Agbonge people wait, and that comes support to Osariemen for the readathon now. Edo State First Lady Betsy Obaseki, members of the Edo State House of Assembly, among others. Make una not forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We know they take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ojesele, TMC TV News.